Welcome to RETAX Technologies, where innovation meets excellence. In this exclusive behind-the-scenes guide, we invite you to witness the magic of product development, step by step. Embark on a journey of creativity, where ideas come to life. Our expert team transforms visions into extraordinary designs, setting the stage for innovation. Step into the world of precision as our cutting-edge prototyping process brings designs to life. Witness the meticulous craftsmanship that ensures each prototype is a true reflection of your vision. Experience the power of precision with our state-of-the-art CNC machining. Delve into the world of high-precision manufacturing, where every detail matters, and perfection is the standard. Witness the magic of injection molding as raw materials transform into the final product. Marvel at the efficiency, speed, and accuracy that define our manufacturing process. Ensuring excellence at every step, our rigorous quality control measures guarantee the highest standards. From material inspection to final product scrutiny, we leave no room for compromise. Experience the symphony of automation and expertise as we seamlessly transition from prototyping to mass production. Discover how we turn concepts into reality on a large scale without sacrificing quality. At RETAX, sustainability is our commitment. Explore how we integrate eco-friendly practices into every stage of product development, contributing to a greener and more responsible future. Peek into the future of manufacturing with our advanced technologies and software integration. Stay ahead of the curve as we embrace innovation to shape the next era of product development. Join us on this exciting journey of innovation and expertise at RETAX, where every stage is a testament to our commitment to excellence. RETAX Technologies. Let's shape the future together.